cord. Okay, so now what I gotta do is I gotta figure out. You guys can just go about your business for a few minutes.
I was gonna make myself a breakfast, but right now she wanted me to check out this container. Oh, look at this. 16-bit?
Mm-hmm.
It's interesting that that's how it registered. I didn't realize they make cameras that's how they registered. Because now cameras are like HD, SD. If you wait a minute, I'll come over there and have a tea party with you. Figure out what's for breakfast for Mommy.
Okay, that was the main thing I was trying to do. Look at you. You're on the TV. You're on the TV. Look up there, Audrey. Look up there. It's you. It's Audrey. Audrey. Oh, that has nothing to do with it.